In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Fibonacci Retracement tool on TradingView to enhance your trading strategy. Understanding how to utilize this tool can provide you with valuable insights into potential market reversals and trend continuations. To start, you'll need to log into TradingView.com. Once you're on the platform, open the chart of the particular asset or security you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, or any other financial instrument you're interested in. Having the right chart open is essential, as your analysis will rely on this data. Next, locate the Fibonacci Retracement tool, which is typically found on the left toolbar. It looks like a diagonal line with percentage levels marked on it. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You might need to expand the Drawing Tools menu by clicking the small arrow to reveal more options. This tool will be your main focus for today's lesson. Now that you have the tool ready, you need to identify key points on your chart, specifically the swing high and the swing low. If your asset is currently in an uptrend, click on the most recent swing low. This is the lowest point before the price started rising, and drag your cursor upwards to the swing high, which is the highest point. Conversely, if the asset is in a downtrend, start from the swing high and drag downwards to the swing low. Identifying these points correctly is crucial, as they form the base from which Fibonacci levels are calculated. Upon setting these points, the tool will automatically display key Fibonacci retracement levels, specifically 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. These levels are not just random, they are mathematical calculations that can help identify where the price might encounter support or resistance. It's at these levels where the price could potentially reverse or consolidate. When you're using these levels for trading, watch for the price to pull back close to notable Fibonacci levels, often at 38.2%, 50%, or 61.8%, aligning with the trend direction. Look for confirmation using other indicators such as the RSI or MACD, or through candlestick patterns, which can add an extra layer of confidence to your decision. For risk management, consider setting a stop loss slightly beyond the next Fibonacci level or recent swing point to minimize potential losses. As for taking profits, you could aim for higher Fibonacci extensions or previous swing highs or lows. If you want to take your analysis a step further, consider using the Fibonacci extension tool. This additional tool can help you project potential price targets beyond the current swing high or low. Common extension levels to watch are 161.8%, 261.8%, and beyond. These extensions can give you insights into where the price might head following a significant move. By understanding and applying these steps, you'll be able to leverage Fibonacci tools to improve your trading strategy, gaining a deeper understanding of market dynamics.